1 minus 1 over root 3 to the power 4 is equal to a plus b root 3. We need to use the binomial theorem to expand this bracket and then be able to work out what the values of a and b should be. So let's have a look at the left hand side then. Here the left hand side equals. So here's our first term, here's our second, minus 1 over root 3, and here's our power. So a plus b to the power n, a to the n, so that's 1, n is 4. So there's our first term, plus nc1 is 4c1, isn't it? Because n is 4. A to the 1 less, so that's the first term, which is 1 to the 1 power less. The second term is minus 1 over root 3, and that's now to the power 1. We increment the second term, we decrease the first, and we run along the row. 4c2 is next. 1 squared, these diminish, and these powers increase. Then 4c3. The power of the first term diminishes, so it goes down to 1. Power of the second term increases, increments to 3. And now we've got to the last term, which is the last term to the power 4. So it's plus minus 1 over root 3 to the power 4. So what have we got here? We've got a 1. 4c1. Let's just tap it in the calculator to make sure we're all happy. 4c1 is 4. So that's a 4 there. Over minus with a minus 1 over root 3. So it's minus, and I'm going to now write that as root 3 all over 3. There we go. So that's that one. 4c2. So let's go back into our calculator. Get 4c2, 6. So it's plus 6 is 4c2. 1 squared is okay. Minus 1 over root 3 is plus 1 over 3, isn't it? When you square top and bottom. 4c3, which we know is 4, but let's just tap it in. Be sure we're all happy with that. 4c3 is 4. And then we've got 1 to the power 1, which is 1 if we want to put it down. Minus this cubed is minus comes out. And then root 3 cubed is 3 root 3. And then the last term, the minus will become a plus. 1 to the 4 is 1. Root 3 to the 4 is the same as 3 squared, which is 9. So what have we got then? We've got a 1. This is a 2. 1 plus 2. 6 over 3 is 2. 3 and a ninth, which is 28 over 9. 3 and 1 ninth. 3 nines are 27 plus 1 more ninth. Minus 4 root 3 over 3 for this term here. And this term, minus 4 minus another 4. But 3 root 3 times root 3 top and bottom, you'll get 4. Root 3 comes on top, and then you'll get a 9 underneath when you times this by 3 root 3 times another root 3. You get 9. So 28 over 9. And then we've got minus 4 thirds, minus 4 ninths of root 3. This, take this to ninths, minus 12 ninths, isn't it? Times by 3 top and bottom. Minus 12 ninths, minus 4 ninths is minus 16 over 9 root 3. So a will equal, well, the first term a is 28 over 9. And b, well, we've got minus. There's no minus here, so we need a minus. And it's 16 over 9.